step. It is October 3rd. Declan's like 15 months. Today is finally the day. He's walked more than ever, kind of by his own choice. Some good walking. Ready to go through the jungle? Ah, here it goes! Through the jungle! Through the jungle! Back through the jungle! Back through the jungle! Whoa! Whoa! Through the jungle!